Wait a minute, Bobby Briggs is the one who crippled you? You always told us you fell off a roof during a fight with the Grinch.
I lied. I lied because I was ashamed of the real story. That I let a vicious criminal get away.
What happened?
Well, it was 1996. Briggs was one of the biggest heroin dealers east of Providence, which is mostly just open water. But still, I'd been undercover tracking his operation for 6 months and had finally gained his confidence. I'd almost gathered enough evidence to put Briggs away for good, but I knew a taped confession would make the case a slam dunk.
This is gonna take us to the next level. We're gonna be banging so many hot chicks with jeans up to their navels.
Bobby Briggs, you're really good at heroin. How much heroin is here, Bobby Briggs?
Why are you talking like that? Are you wearing a wire? Oh, you're dead, Joe Swansonson.
My undercover name was Swansonson. Easy, Briggs. You kill a cop, they'll put you away forever.
Then get ready to spend the rest of your life as a lame gimp with an annoying voiced wife.
He'd met Bonnie. Briggs got away, and I've been in this wheelchair ever since.